Good afternoon once again to all delegates from India and Middle East. A very good morning to delegates from Africa, Europe, and the Americas. And a good evening to all delegates from Asia Pacific region. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you to the virtual edition, the second World Sesame Convention 2020. Hope all of you and your families are safe and in good health. This edition is presented to you by sesameinformation.com with the support of industry associations from across the Sesame value chain. My name is Srivatsava Ganapathy, and I would be your host over the next 2 days. I take this opportunity to remember and place on record our sincere condolences to Mr. Hakan Behchichi, the founder and CEO of Hakan Agro DMCC, who left us at a young age on May 26, 2020. Mr. Hakan was instrumental in shaping this platform and delivered the keynote at the inaugural edition in Istanbul in 2019. May his soul rest in peace. The year 2020 has been a year of unprecedented challenges. COVID is the main reason. It exposed the vulnerabilities of a long and fragile supply chain such as the sesame supply chain. There were also other challenges such as floods, political instability, financing related challenges, port access, demand destructions, and so on. The industry has faced most of these challenges bravely and is evolving workable solutions within the given constraints. I congratulate each and every one of you for your efforts in finding solutions. I do believe that a couple of years from now, we would remember 2020 as a year of disruptions and innovation. Change is palpable all around us, some minuscule and insignificant, while some are really systemic and structural. Likewise, receptivity of people to changes has increased. Every rule of pre-COVID era is being challenged and transformed. I'm very confident that some of all these challenges and changes could be a hugely beneficial and positive on for the sesame industry in the years to come, far outweighing the pains that we all endured during the last 11 months. The program agenda outlined for today and tomorrow is similar to the physical conference format. Today, we would focus on global sesame crop scenario, individual country sesame crop situation, and supply chain challenges and the ways to overcoming these challenges. Tomorrow, that is December 10th, we would focus on what's going on in the key consumption markets and discuss new developments in technology and value addition in sesame industry. We have 29 experts and market practitioners who would provide their perspective on their chosen subject. It would be fascinating to listen to them. Equally, thanks to the technology and virtual format, it would be exciting to engage in a purposeful discussion with them. I encourage all of you to use the Q&A option to post your questions. We will try and answer them as much as possible within the constraints of time. Outside of the conference sessions, we have virtual display booths of 22 sponsors. Other than picking up e-brochures, you can engage in a chat with them or meet them in a private video call, which is completely confidential. You can book meeting schedules with any of them in advance and make the most of your time. Should you face any issues with technology, please contact registration desk. Our virtual support team would help you. We have amidst us over 705 delegates from 61 countries. We welcome each one of you and hope that you would have a very good time over the next 2 days. The virtual edition would not be possible without the support from 22 sponsors, 5 supporting bodies, strategic partner, and media partners. I deeply appreciate their gesture and express my sincere gratitude to each one of them. With these words, I welcome you all to the virtual second World Sesame Convention 2020. Thank you all and best wishes to all of you.